All right, what's good, y'all? I ain't even gonna hold you. I don't know what day it is, but we're gonna be working on the same plugin we were working on before, but I'm gonna try to switch it up. I still cannot get it to build. I'm getting closer, but the lack of documentation on like how to do different build systems is heavily lacking. So what I'm gonna try to do is or after this, I'm going to continue trying to get the build to work. If not, I'm just going to try to build it on like a Windows machine or something because I have a suspicion that it's either assuming that I'm on Ubuntu or it just works better on building on Windows. So I'm gonna do that after I record, see if I can figure it out. But for now, since it seems like it's just modules and I can call those modules within, I can just work on the actual like implementation of it and then just slap that in the plugin later. So I'm gonna work on um, getting the actual functionality done, and then um, once the build's working, it shouldn't be that big of a deal. So it should be in source. Oh shoot! Wait, I think I think I overwrote my code, so I had to go back to the repo to try to find it. Um, Get stats, source, plugin main. There it is. So we're gonna take this and let's just create a new file called what are we gonna call it? No, let's just say implementation. Implementation.c. And then we're gonna paste that. Oops. How did I get here? What the fuck? Anyway. Int main void. Format that. And then oh wait. First of all, we have to put my superior Clang format in here. So we're gonna remove that Clang format, and then we're gonna copy from my NeoVim defaults, oops, to here. And now I have, there we go. Shout out my config. I don't know, I just don't like some of the stuff that's used. So we're gonna include standard IO, and then include standard lib, right? And then that'll get rid of those errors. And then, so actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at the original plugin and see what I want and don't want to keep. So let's make a. Is there docs in here? No. So we're gonna make a directory called docs. And then within docs, we're gonna put to-do.md, right? And then let's put, no, not that one. Features, right? And then we're gonna say projects get line stats, and then we could just look at the settings. We don't actually have to look. So what I want is I want to be able to specify multiple repos. So ability to specify multiple repos, and then ability to set refresh rate, ability to actually, bro, why am I typing this like this? S fidelity 2, and then just get rid of that. Forgot the space. Alright, so I do use tabs. My fault. Untracked files. I don't want a window because I don't want a GUI, so we can ignore this. And then, which means that we don't need a separator. And then, honestly, I'm making this for me, so I do not care about, like, showing what files got changed or not. So that actually kind of makes it a little bit more difficult. Reason being is that when we do the short stack, it shows the changed files, so I'll have to get rid of that somehow. But I don't want that, because it's extra for me. Plus lines. Why is this? Yeah. Let me get my tabs. Untracked, and then let's do plus lines enable. Or no. Under plus lines, we're gonna have a few settings, I think. The ability to enable it. Change the font. Actually, we're gonna do this for both. And minus lines. So we're gonna do enable, change fonts, font size, the color, and then, oh, we could do that. Number only. I like the pluses and minuses personally, but I could definitely see me turning it off at some point. So minus lines at the same time. Change files I don't care about. Oh, right, because it'll always go. So what I'm thinking is over logic. So what I'm thinking is we get the output from no, we don't even need that because this is a plugin, right? So we could say get the output of the diff command, right? And we also need to store it, and then we need to I do need to get rid of these tabs actually. Can you do tabs in here? S/tab. No. Good. And then after we store it, depending on current settings, or no, we're gonna parse through it to get the data in a segmented form. And then we're going to say, depending on the settings, output it in a specific format. So here's something that's really important that I don't know if OBS does or not, but the text, I want the text to always be centered, right? So actually, I think I have an example right here. Yeah, this number is really large, but I want it to be centered within. Actually, it doesn't even show all of it. Like, look. But I want that to always be centered within the block and to get smaller if need be. Or this could also be a more creative way. Like every 1K, put an indicator somewhere. Like a dot above or something. Or, I don't know. Something cool. Anyway, so depending on the settings I'll put in, it's pretty simple actually. Oh, what I also want is the ability to, well, I don't think that's how you spell ability. Is that? Damn, that shit's ugly. Bro, why does it look so ugly? My font. That doesn't look right. Ability to convey to the user which or useful error outputs. This is mainly, actually, I can only really see this being for invalid paths coming from the config, right? Yeah. Right. So this seems short. So we get the output of the command and store it. We parse through the data to get it in segment form, and then depending on the settings, output in a specific format. Okay. Very much doable. All right, so we're gonna say notes up here too. Do not read. Alright, the reason I have to put that note is because I do it every time. It's like, oh, what if I want to use this on Windows? My ass is not using it on Windows. Just for all items with the structure, right? So, how do we want to handle let's put an actual to do. So, and then we're gonna put some assumptions here. So, one assumption is that when grabbing input from the OBS UI slash OBS user or slash user, whatever, from the user using the OBS UI, the output of that will be a string, right? So this is assuming it doesn't put it in a configuration file or something like that, right? So using, or not a string, oh my gosh, an array. I mean, a string is an array, but an array, let's be more specific, will be an array of strings, right? So using, grab input from so to do, we're going to create, actually, this is gonna be another thing. Timeline. We're going to create the utility using purely the command line. Fix building of the plugin. Oh, you know what I just thought about? You know what could also be breaking it? Is the fact that when we use, actually, can I get to it from here? yeah, when we use the plugin template, I am not on the most recent version at all. But after list installed, and then let's grep OBS. Right, I'm on 29.0.2. What version is are they actually on? Right now, they're on 30.1.2. So I'm pretty far ways out. So that could also be fucking it up. But that just means that I need to use like older plugins as reference, because I am on an old version. It has to be at least a year old, because I think Bookworm is a year old. Anyway, fix the building of the plugin. Slap that bad boy in OBS form. Easy. Profit. I don't know where the... Yeah, I never use the money sign. That's crazy. Alright. So, to do, grab input from command line. See, we're gonna make this more general. So, because we already have, oh, it's over here. We already have how to get the actual output of that. Oh, yeah. Another assumption is that the get, actually, it doesn't matter because it's for me. And I know mine is here, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, so we need to take a list of paths and get the diff info from all of them. Oh, another reason I need to do this and store it. Add all of the collective pluses and minuses together to get the sum that should be outputted. Right? Ooh. Right. So take the, yeah, let's do that. Let's do that first. And then I don't think I need this anymore. Oh, did I change it? Right, so let's take this. Let's take the to-do and put it over here. Line, widget. Oh wait, no, that's not the one I wanted. CD get stats. To-do. Oh. Is that not in here? Does that have to be caps? We're in source. Where did I put it? Why didn't that show up? Wait, let me go back. That's so odd. Alright, anyway. Let me make sure all this is right. It is not. Why is this not showing up? Interesting. Show if I do minus. I don't know why this isn't working. Anyway, I'll figure that out later. So it's int arg c. char arg v. Actually, I don't know. Arg c arg v and c. Yes, I know what it does. I just need to know what it looks like. Alright, arg c is correct. Oh, right. Because it's an array of strings. Got it. Right? So what we can say is, if we're not passing anything, if arg c equals 1, yeah. Okay, move on my way. If arg c is 1, because that means we, in the case that we just called the executable, oh, you know what I also wanted to learn? What, like, assert and shit does. And assert. Because I think I saw somebody using it for errors. Abort the program if assertion is false. I want to test this. So, they said if assertion is false, so assert arg c equals 1. Right? Is that what they're saying? Assert, where is it? In standard library, assert include assert.h. Oh, it's alphabetical. That's why I was always, okay, I get it now. Scalar expression. Let me see an example and make sure I'm doing this right. Does it not give any example? Called the source code line number of the call. Okay, let me just test this. So this, you're gonna be my runner this time, but I want my runner to be up top. Checked get stats cd source GCC implementation.c with warnings. That wasn't supposed to happen. Printf. Maybe I'm missing something on argc. %d arg c. Oh. Duh. Oh, that's so cool. Why was it I taught this? This is so cool. Okay. And, okay, so it gives you the executable. It gives you the file that it failed in, the number of the line, and then exactly what failed. No shot. So I can say assert fp does not equal null. Oh, no shot. That's so cool. Okay, so let me give it a... Oh, wait, no. Oh, this won't ever be null, right? Man, p open. What is the return value of this? On success, returns a pointer. P close. On failure, both functions set error no to indicate error. Man, error no. Number of last error. Value. is significant only when So how do you interface with, oh my gosh, with error no? Okay, if error no equals something. Produces a message on standard error describing the last error. Ah, okay. So we can say instead of that, yeah, we can't do this, but we can say if error no, shit, I need another one of these. Man, error no. What is error no? The value of error no is significant only when the return value of the call indicated an error. A function that succeeds is allowed to change error no. The value of error no is never set to 0 by any system call, or for some system calls, -1. And then if the call returns a status, it indicates that an error may have occurred. Checking. Ah, okay. So we say error no equals 0, and then if error no, because that means it's not 0, then p error, yeah, print that error, and then exit, failure, right? Oh no, I need to include error no, right? Include error no.h. What was that error? Too few functions to call. P error. What am I supposed to pass in? Where does it say the parameters? Oh, there it is. We're passing in a string. Produces a message on standard error describing the last error. First, if S is not null, what is S? Okay, that's the string. If S is not null and S is not a null byte, the argument string S is printed followed by a colon and a blank. Then an error message corresponding to the value of error no. Okay, so this is... what if you just say... shit. So let's just throw an error p open on line 14. Right? I just kind of want to see how this works. Oh wait, no, this one was... Oops. Oh, I didn't give an invalid thing. Bam. Invalid. Fuck. Forgot again. Ambiguous argument, unknown revision, or path. Ah. I don't even need this. Right? So does it exit itself? Oops. Nah. Okay, this is after. Oh, this is the error printing from here. No. Oh, wait. Yes. Okay. But we don't want to get down there. Can I print error no? Oh. What did I do? Oh. So it's still 0. And I think the reason for that is we're still getting something out of this. Okay. I don't know how to make that fail, so I'm just gonna do that. Actually, no, I know. No, that didn't get here. That got down here again. Because if we print error no, it's gonna be 0 again. Yep. Okay. Good to know that that exists, but I think it depends on what function you're using it for, because this doesn't really throw errors, because you always get something back in the command line. Okay. So How do we want to go about this then? Okay. So what we can do is we can say, if within this file we don't find insertions or deletions, depending on what we're looking for, then it's invalid input. That's what I'm thinking. So we can say bool check insertions, and then we take in a string, right? And then we just say how do you check a substring? Wait. I think I know. We could use string tokenization and then just slap insertion in there, and then if we don't find one, then it's no good. Returns a pointer to the next token or null if there are no more tokens, right? So if we say, we need to copy it first of all. Reason being is it'll destroy it. So temp string equals, of course, temp string equals malloc size of character times string length of input plus 1. Is that not a thing? Oh, standard bool. There you go. Actually, let me keep that in there just in case. Include string.h. Right. And then we could say, well, let's first say temp string s equals 0, just in case. And then we say str and copy sign on. That's the size of it, right? str. Actually, no, I'm just gonna assume, because that's just what makes sense. Input, and then string length of input plus 1. Right? So we have that, and then we could say, what are the inputs to this? So we have the character. I mean, we have the string. Oh my gosh, it was helpful if I typed the input. No, not input. Oh my gosh, almost destroyed that. Temp string, and then the delimiter is going to be insertions. right? And then we're gonna say returns returns a pointer to the start of the found token. So this will be a character checker. So let's say if checker equals null, no, wait. We're doing this on the, we'll do this operation on the raw thing, so we only need to check for something, one of them. Because we get one of them, I can assume we have them all, so that goes in assumptions. Assumptions. An assumption is if we have insertions, oh wait, if we have the string insertions within the output of get diff, then we have a full valid output. I guess we could say that, right? So if checker equals null, then return false. Else, then we return true, right? So then we could come down here, we could say, let's not print that, but rather, let's say check insertions of output, right? Oh, wait. Let's free temp string and free temp string. I believe that I have to do it after we do the checker, because if it's valid, this will return a pointer. Yeah, and I think that'll fuck up if I free it too early. Anyway, so then we can say check insertions bool valid output, and then this is going to equal valid output. Oop. So then we can come over here. Oh, did I type it wrong? Yes. Sep when not used. Use right. You know what? Not gonna worry about it. Glad to see that's working. And then if we do something that doesn't exist, like, I don't know, a whole as directory. Oh. Is it outside repository? Home slash. Why did it still return printf %d valid output? Oh, my dumbass. If valid output, then we do this. Else we assert valid output equals true, exit Exit failure. Right. I do that every time. It's outside. It still prints it. Am I missing something? Actually, let me... valid output. Huh. I don't quite understand that one. How are we not getting here, but we're printing it out? Did I forget to compile? So we do get all the way down here. I don't know why we don't print this though. Wait. That's null? So if I give it a valid one... Oh, duh. Yeah, it's still printing through. Okay, is outside repository. Just to make sure I'm thinking of the right thing. No. So that's printing from up here? No way, right? And then this should be after it. No, it's still before. Still before. And now it's gone. Is that from... No way it's inside the function, right? Yeah. It's this line? Are we getting inside of this function? No. Okay, why are we just printing this flat out? What is f gets return? Actually, so let's break a 34 or 33, I guess. Oh, shit. I don't remember how to pass in arguments. Okay, so it does print before that. Oh, I don't flush it. Let's go to 29. There's when it prints. Why is this printing now? There's a pointer to an open stream that can be used. popen function does not set error node if the underlying error node is set to indicate the error if the type argument is invalid. Since the standard input of a command open. If the original process has position may not expected similar output from the command open for writing. Intermingle project liner. Okay, let me just try that real quick. I don't think that's why, but we'll see. Otherwise, we'll have to look in the fork and pipe. Yeah, so, and pipe. Oh, not that one. The channel is used for. Oh shit! Wait, man. Get this. Can I make it silent, like not throw errors on fatal? Because I feel like that would also fix my issue. Oh, we finished the set already? That's crazy. That's it? Damn. distribution of relative. Oops. Well. Make the program exit with similar codes to diff. Exit with 1%. I don't want to disable all output. Or maybe okay, yeah. That's not what I want. Maybe if I do short set at the same time? Nah. Okay, let me see. Oh, did I close it? I think I closed it. Let me see what the other one was. Just the way update was. Oh shoot, I don't have. No pager. Oh, I know how. Don't do it like that. Instead, check if all of them are valid on startup, right? So on startup, we can say check if folder exists. Let's see. So some people use stat. stat and opener. What? Term man stat. Okay, so for this one, wait, what do you pass into it? Is it deadass just a string? Yep. This one might be nice. So, ooh. And the error no is set to indicate the error. Oh, yeah, I could use the error no. Okay. I want to use this one then. Because I kind of want to use this. So what we could say is, so let's say check all paths, right? Right, and then we come through and we say void check all paths, and then inside of this we take a set of strings right, and then we're just gonna pass in argv, right, and then so we're gonna use, I don't need this one. So it returns a pointer to the directory stream. The stream is positioned first entry. So I assume this is another file pointer. So let's say file pointer f pointer equals, or no, we could just do that. And then we say for, oh, let's pass in the size too. Actually, let's do it in the same order. argc, argv, int numpaths, right? And then we say int I equals 0, and while I is less than numpaths, and then we say I plus plus, and then for each one, we need to check. I keep forgetting to do that. If the directory exists, right? So to do that, we'll be like f pointer equals open dir, and then paths no, we're gonna start at 1 because 1 is the executable. No, 1. Yes, we're gonna start at 1. 0 is the executable, sorry. Paths I, and then, oh wait, no, let's set error no to 0, and then we check error no if error no. Then we assert can we do this? Percent s does oh no, I don't know. Shit, what was the other one? Where we found out what error no means. What the specific error means. I think it was at the bottom. Bro, damn. P error. No, right? Oh, no, no, no. File. But I'm missing a part of this because this path needs to have .get on the end of it. So we're gonna say we're gonna say buffer equals malloc string length. Oh wait. String length of paths I, and then this is gonna be plus dot get onto this 4 plus 5, right? And then we say buffer 0 equals so now we say buffer. Oh wait, no. String cat, and then we're gonna put it on buffer. Sn print f into buffer. It is. So we have the buffer and then the size, so it's string length of paths I plus 5. Let's add an extra one just in case. And then it's going to be %s and %s. And it's going to be paths I and dot get. Right? And then now we could just put that bad boy in there. And then if that doesn't exist, then not. I don't know if I need to exit this or not. Oh. To test this, we could just be like, ant exit. Right? And then okay, so oops, that actually gave me a helpful error and I missed it. Something with the auto commands I fucked up. I thought opendir returned a pointer. Oh shoot. It's because I haven't, it doesn't know where it is. Now we're good? Yeah. There's a dir pointer? No way. That's crazy. Dir pointer. D pointer. Oh, how do you close a D pointer then? Dir close. It's closed there, right, man? Close dir. Function closes the. Okay, cool. So we do need to make sure we're closing it. Close dir D pointer. Right. Okay. Okay, it doesn't actually, so good to know. Okay, so it's not a get repository. Oh, wait, no. Okay, so if I now put, let's just, yeah, just in case, home slash e slash projects slash elim. Fuck. So let's make sure we're appending this correctly, first of all. Wait. Oh, okay. Do I need to take this off? Oh, okay. No. Nope, that's wrong. Wait, put the slash again. Do I need to put the slash at the end of this? Or is it because you can't read hidden files? Yeah, okay. So what if we test something that's in here? So plugin support.h. Oh, obviously this won't have a Git repository. Let's just not do this for now. Into buffer. Do I need to expand it? Projects slash git stats slash source. Bro, I don't get it. Oh, no, I set air node to 0. Air no is 0. You're lying. Oh wait, it won't set it till here. Okay. Oh, not deep pointer. Oh my gosh, opened her. Zero, 1, 2. The per process limit on the number of open file descriptors has been reached. I don't think that's the case, right? No, they're not equal. Oops. Oh, you can't. Oh, that's crazy, actually. What a fucked up terminal. That's. How am I supposed to go down? Can I go down with. Nope. I just hit one anyway. Okay. Man. Opened her. What if we just go through all of them? See if I'm even doing this right. E bad F. I think I already did EN file. EN file. Zero, 1. No. Okay. Oh, because it's not a directory, dumbass. Bro. Source. Okay, it still says it doesn't exist. Do I need the slash in front of it? Boom. Okay. So what if I do a relative path? Does that work too? Okay. I'm silly. That's not me. But... Oh. Wait. That's huge, actually. No, it already told me. I just didn't listen. Never mind. I don't need to add extra shit. Okay. So now that we got that fiasco figured out. So you need the slash in front. So if you do git stats. Is outside repository at. Wait, what does that mean? Is outside repository. Hmm. No index? What does no index do? No index. This form is to compare the given two paths on the file system. You can omit the when running the command in a working tree controlled by. But I don't want to compare two. I recently saw an interesting tip he shared, not only for reviewing, but also general file diffing. Yeah, I don't want that. Wait, how do you just get files? Yeah. How did they get it? Oh, how did they get around it? Wait, do I have it open anywhere else? No. Oh, they set the working directory to... Is that even possible? And with popen? Popen. Because they opened the sub process from within. I might need to find a different way. Oh, I'm going the wrong thing. Well, yes. Configure option. What's it? Ignore past that are outside. Oh, for diff family commands, we can tell them to exclude changes. That's the directory. I don't think that's what I want. Runs the command as if get started in path instead of the current working directory. Git diff C and then the path. And then there's one command I'm missing. Short stack. Fuck. Not a Git repository. How? Oh, I misunderstood. Okay, maybe I didn't change anything in there. Shit. What if I change something in? Do I still have this open? Awesome. Nope, haven't changed anything there either. Oh yeah, I think I did it for test. Nope. There we go. Dot files. Awesome. Okay. So that means that we just need to be like, okay, Git, how about you get off my ass? And then we pass in the, actually, and then we delete this. And then this goes here. Right? And then this is diff short stat. Oh, whoops. I left it. Well, it actually doesn't matter. Because I know that it checked it correctly because I gave it an actual thing, so I can just pass this in with whatever I want. Why did it... Yeah, we have a bunch of stuff in here. Why did it do that? I don't need this. Oh, it's because I'm doing it in blib. I haven't changed anything in blib. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now, where am I printing that shit? Here it is. Now it should just be correct. Awesome. Alright, we got it, we got it. Okay, how long was that? An hour 40, god damn. Alright. So, today, okay, I need to split this up a little bit further, but get diff info for file specified by me. All done. Oh, if I did it right. Now we need to take the list of paths and do it for all of them. Awesome. Alright, so let me status, make sure it's not something I don't want. Damn, I did a lot yesterday. It's behind the remote counterpart. Really? Bro, what did I do? This is get stats, right? Okay, well. Why does it show get stats? Never mind. My repos. How am I behind? I pushed this from here. Git pull rebase. So what is the difference? Build spec. Oh, I see. Let's just keep it like that. And then next one is plugin main C. And then what else? Plugin support. Oh shit. Oh, I meant to keep what I currently have. Hold up. I gotta go back now. Plug in main. I don't want head. No, head is what I have, right? Fuck. I don't remember. Tentative implementation. Oh yeah. This is new stuff. Head is what I do not want. Okay, and then plug in main. Oh, that's where I am right now. Build spec. No, I did build spec. Build spec didn't really matter. And then plug in support. I don't want head. I want this. Origin head. Origin? Remote branch. Oh, it's main. It's not main. What's the main called? Master. There we go. Okay, cool. Oh, I renamed it? That's not what I wanted. Whatever. Alright. That was good. Now to try to figure out how to build it.